Gentlemen, if you have begun to sense that something has quietly changed in your intimate health, perhaps compared with how you felt 10 or 15 years ago, I want you to hear one important truth. You are not imagining anything, and you are certainly not the only one facing these changes. Many men experience the same confusion and worry, often in silence, because very few people speak about it with honesty or care. Yet this concern has a real cause, and it also has real solutions that most professionals never mention during routine visits. I am Dr. Jennifer, and during my years of observing male health, I have listened to countless men who carry the same questions. They often describe a slow decline in sensitivity, a shift in how intimacy feels, and a quiet fear that aging has taken something deeply personal from them. What troubles me most is that the medical world rarely speaks about this openly. As a result, millions of men assume that decline is unavoidable. That is not entirely true. Today, here on Man Health 360, I wish to guide you through an approach that may gently restore vitality and sensation. Together, we will explore 5 specific oils that, when applied with proper technique, can improve blood circulation, support tissue health, and possibly reverse the effects of what researchers call penile aging. These are not tricks or empty promises. They are grounded in biological understanding of how the male body changes and how those changes can be addressed. If you hope to maintain or even enhance your sensitivity and confidence well into your 60s and 70s, stay with me. What you are about to learn might reshape your outlook. Before exploring the oils, we must understand what truly happens inside the body. Knowing the reason makes every solution feel meaningful rather than hopeful guesswork. As men grow older, delicate internal shifts begin to take place in the penile tissue. The smooth muscle responsible for strong blood flow gradually becomes replaced with tougher collagen and fibrous material. This process, known as fibrosis, reduces elasticity and responsiveness. Blood vessels also lose efficiency during this phase of life, which means oxygen and nutrients have a harder time reaching sensitive areas. At the same time, nerve endings begin to slowly decline. They become fewer in number and less sensitive to stimulation. This is why many men report that sensations, once sharp and vivid, now seem distant or muted. There is encouraging news. These changes are not completely permanent. With proper care, it is possible to improve circulation, protect tissue structure, and support nerve health. One of the most direct methods is topical application combined with thoughtful massage. The massage itself is not only soothing but scientifically beneficial. It encourages blood flow, helps release minor adhesions within the tissue, and allows beneficial compounds to reach deeper layers. It becomes a combination of mechanical stimulation and targeted biochemical support. First, the hands guide circulation, then the oils nourish and protect the tissue. Let us begin with the first oil, one that often surprises people. When most individuals think about pomegranate, they imagine the fruit or its bright seeds. Yet the oil extracted from those seeds is remarkably powerful for male tissue health. Pomegranate seed oil is extremely rich in punic acid, a rare compound found in very few sources in nature. This fatty acid carries strong anti-inflammatory qualities and has been shown to support healthy function within blood vessels. Research also indicates that pomegranate seed oil may encourage nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide plays a crucial role in male performance because it signals blood vessels to relax and widen so that circulation can improve. With age, the natural production of nitric oxide declines sharply. That decline is responsible for many of the changes men notice. Pomegranate seed oil is also filled with antioxidants, such as vitamin E and polyphenols. These protect the cells from oxidative damage, one of the leading causes of tissue aging. When applied topically, these compounds reach the areas that need them most. For application, use approximately half a teaspoon of high-quality cold-pressed pomegranate seed oil. Warm it gently to body temperature with your hands, then massage slowly using circular motions across the shaft and surrounding tissue. Aim for 5 to 10 minutes, especially over areas where sensation has faded with time. Some individuals combine this oil with lighter fruit oils such as apricot or peach kernel oil to improve absorption. Grapeseed oil is another excellent companion. The next oil may appear too ordinary at first glance. Olive oil has been present in kitchens for thousands of years, but high-quality extra virgin olive oil also carries impressive benefits for tissue maintenance. In Mediterranean cultures, it has long been used not only for cooking, but also for skin repair and wound care. Its key compound, known as oleanthal, offers strong anti-inflammatory support. Chronic inflammation disrupts healthy nerve function and reduces vessel responsiveness. Olive oil also contains squalene, a substance that the skin produces naturally in smaller quantities as we age. Squalene supports moisture retention and skin barrier strength. One further advantage is olive oil's ability to move through the outer skin layer and reach deeper structures, which makes it valuable for internal tissue support. Choosing the right oil matters greatly. Select extra virgin olive oil that is cold-pressed and kept in a dark bottle because light damages its active compounds. For application, use about 1 teaspoon warmed to body temperature. Massage with long, steady strokes along the shaft, combining gentle kneading to stimulate both surface tissue and deeper muscle. This approach supports the smooth muscle that is crucial for circulation and function. Now we come to a deeper green oil that remains somewhat hidden from public attention. Pumpkin seed oil is known by many individuals for prostate support, yet its benefits for penile tissue deserve equal recognition. Pumpkin seed oil contains a rich and balanced profile of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. This balance supports healthy inflammatory responses. The oil also contains zinc, a mineral vital for male reproductive health. While zinc is commonly taken through diet, it can also be absorbed in smaller amounts through the skin to bring localized benefits. Pumpkin seed oil holds phytosterols as well, which help maintain the integrity of cell membranes and support nerve signaling. Its heavier texture provides excellent control during massage. You will need only 1/3 to half a teaspoon. Focus especially on the base of the shaft where major nerves and blood vessels enter. Gentle pressure in this region can be highly beneficial. Avocado oil deserves equal attention. The avocado fruit has long been known for its healthy fats, and the oil refined from it carries those benefits in concentrated form. What makes avocado oil particularly valuable is its high oleic acid content, nearly 70% of its profile. Oleic acid enhances absorption of other nutrients through the skin, which makes avocado oil an excellent carrier for combined massage blends. It is also rich in vitamin E, one of the strongest natural antioxidants for tissue preservation. Over time, it may slow the decline in sensitivity that many men quietly experience. Avocado oil also supports collagen balance. Healthy collagen is needed in the right amount to keep tissue elastic and resilient. Research shows that avocado oil can reach deeper skin layers compared with other oils. For application, use roughly half a teaspoon and apply using gentle strokes from base to tip to guide circulation in the proper direction. Combine this with circular motions around the most sensitive regions to encourage nerve activity. Some men mix avocado oil with papaya seed oil or passion fruit oil for added nutrients. The final oil is taken from the seed of a fruit related to peaches and plums. Sweet almond oil has been used across many cultures for centuries. Its texture is ideal for massage because it offers smooth movement without feeling too heavy. That quality is important because correct massage technique is just as valuable as the oil itself. Sweet almond oil contains vitamin E, vitamin A, and several B vitamins that support cell renewal and skin barrier strength. It also contains zinc and potassium, which are useful for cellular function and tissue stability. One of its most helpful properties is its ability to soften and condition drier tissue that may have lost suppleness with age. With consistent use over several weeks, many men describe a noticeable sense of vitality in the treated area. It can be applied more generously than other oils, about 1 teaspoon per session, with unhurried massage lasting at least 10 minutes. Now that you understand these 5 oils, the most important step is consistency. Occasional use will not create meaningful change. Just as exercise requires repeated commitment, tissue care needs regular attention. Aim for 3 sessions each week for a minimum of 8 to 12 weeks before evaluating results. You may rotate the oils or create blends. Many find equal parts sweet almond oil and pomegranate seed oil work well together because they share complementary beneficial properties. Always warm the oil before use, either under warm water or between your palms. Cold oil does not absorb easily and may feel uncomfortable. Choose a time that supports routine. Some men prefer morning to begin their day with a health focus. Others find evening sessions calming before rest. The timing is personal. The consistency is essential. Gentlemen, these changes that accompany aging do not need to be accepted in silence. With knowledge and steady effort, the body can be guided toward renewal. Man Health 360 is here to offer clarity and understanding so you may maintain the quality of your intimate life for many years ahead. I am Dr. Jennifer, and I thank you for your trust. May your journey toward health be steady and rewarding.